Today, it's just a little bit of a special episode. Because we're out of Florida, we're in Kentucky, but we ain't just turkey hunting today, boys and girls. We slump busting. Because right there on that ridge right there, we got our slump buster that's about to walk into the end of a shotgun barrel, baby.
Morning from Kentucky. We have some action happening, but we're having to play the patient game. So we actually have a bird about 60 yards back behind us that's working to us. And we also have 2 or 3 toms straight ahead of us. Straight off in there. Probably about 150, 200 yards.
A few moments later.
Is that a baby? Yeah, it's a big tom. Surprise ignition over here, buddy. Roll.
Mm-hmm. Is that all toms or just the first one?
Just the first one.
Okay.
That's good, baby.
Mm-hmm. Keep filling.
Yeah, you ready to keep looking?
Yeah, it don't work.
It's just a turkey. You get to the furthest in there and you kill him, okay?
Yep, whatever.
She's a 30.
Alright,
Hmm?
yeah, you do it whenever you need to. That hand's on my way right now.
Yeah, he's about the only spot I can't kill him.
I don't have him right there. I got him. Not right now. I mean, I got him good enough. You can kill him.
I can't kill him. I have that little tree in the way.
Okay. within 5 yards. I got him, man. He's pissed. He's spitting. I can't kill him right now. I mean, I got his head. You know, I can't. I got trees in the way. It's the only place I can't kill a bird right now. I can't kill him right now. I mean, I got his head. You know, I can't. I got trees in the way. It's the only place I can't kill a bird right now. I got a pretty decent shot at him right there. You have him? Yeah, I got him.
Slump busted, baby. Guys. We've been riding a tight spot right there. He put on a show too. The good news is, this isn't even the group of toms that we came on. They're on further, and that bird is still back there. So the slump is over. The old slump buster. Dude, I'm pretty sure that bird was on the other side of the screen field. Oh, broke that slump, baby. It's a good bird too. They're still gobbling in there. We can kill them birds. Man, that was fun. We got a little bit of lunch. Some of the other guys are hunting us. You can kill 2 birds, but you can't kill 2 birds in one day. So, kill 1 today, have a little bit of fun, kill 1 tomorrow. There's the spurs, the beard from this bird. Now check this out. I thought this was pretty cool. If you look right there on the fan, so you got the normal tail feathers, and then there's these 2 that have got those white patches coming off the side. I thought that was pretty cool. Certainly unique, one could say. And yeah, we're gonna get this ready, see what the rest of the afternoon holds, and then I'm gonna show y'all one of my favorite ways to fry turkey. The cool thing is, it's also one of my favorite ways to fry gator. These Kentucky boys don't eat much gator, so we should have a little feast, kind of like dang it with. You know, a lot of times people say that they don't like eating gator because it's gamey or it's fishy or, you know, chewy, and that's true. Sometimes gator can be that way, and especially if it's not prepared correctly. You know, a couple things that I do. One is obviously all my gators are processed at Florida Trophy Gators. They're in Okeechobee, and they run all this meat through a meat cuber. So they'll run it through a cuber, and sometimes you'll have a slab of meat, you know, as big as your 4 fingers or whatever. But I always cut it up in a little, just bigger than a quarter pieces. So 1, it's been ran through the cuber. 2, it's a smaller piece. 3, the other thing to that is, and I find very important, you have to, in my opinion, not always right, all the time. In my opinion, you have to break it down or let it brine in some type of vinegar mixture. Straight vinegar? No, I would not recommend that. That said, one of my favorite ways to do it is to let it soak in like some sweet heat pickle juice. Just the juice, save the pickles. And I'll also mix in a little Frank's Red Hot sauce. And the reason for the Frank's is, personally, I feel like it has a little bit higher vinegar content. You're not gonna get a super spicy product at the end of this gator. It just takes the gaminess out of it and lets the palate be cleansed for the person who's eating the gator who may not necessarily like any type of gamey taste. So, and I'm actually gonna do the same thing with this turkey. And so yeah, all it is a little sweet heat pickle chip juice, just the juice. a little bit of Frank's red hot sauce, and we'll actually be frying it up. I got a little bit of crispy fry mix, seasoned flour for Kentucky Fried Chicken, which is huge. I use this all the time. Trick here to a phenomenal product which hits my palate just like I like it. A little bit of Bisquick pancake batter mixed in with this as well. So yeah, it's about 1 o'clock. I'm gonna mix these up, get these things soaking in some of this sweet heat pickle juice. The turkey and the gator and the pickle brine and the Frank's red hot sauce. We're gonna use some of the seasoned flour from the Kentucky Fried Chicken and the crispy fry mix. We're gonna get this all hot. We're gonna drop it in. Pretty much that simple. Drop it in real fast. Splash. Get it out. Take it from there. Real simple, guy. Hot oil, real fast. You ain't gonna miss if you just follow the instructions I gave you. But hey, thank you guys for tagging along to the end of this video. I do appreciate it. We got day 2 coming up tomorrow. Kentucky lets you have 2 birds. Everybody in camp today killed a longbeard. You guys take care. I appreciate you watching. Appreciate all of the support that you've shown me over the past year. It's simply unbelievable how far this has came in 365 short days. But hey, we're gonna see you tomorrow.